Good morning, students. This is Rajesh Agrawal, your English teacher. From today, we are going to start our book Vistas. We will do the very first chapter, the third level, written by Jack Finney. First of all, we will know something about the writer. Jack Finney was an American author. His best known works are science fiction and thrillers. This is Ant. His greatest success came with his science fiction novel Time and Again. This is a very famous novel. It involves time travel to the past. Now let us see something about the introduction of the chapter. The third level by Jack Finney is about the harsh realities of war. War has irreversibly consequences. Consequences means results, thus leaving people in a state of insecurity. It is also about modern day problems and how common man tends to escape reality by various means. In this story, a man named Charlie hallucinates and reaches the third level of the Grand Central Station, which only has two levels. So this is the introduction about the chapter. Now let us see what is the theme of the chapter. The story of third level clearly explores the science fiction genre of time travel. I hope you must have heard about time travel, time machines. This chapter is based on that science. Charlie wishes to be transported to the third level, the world of 1894, which is supposedly the much happier and quieter place to be. Quieter means peaceful. It is one of the most concise and entertaining story about time travel. The question of whether the third level exists in reality or only in Charlie's mind can be inferred from Sam's letter. Sam is the name of Charlie's friend in this story. The story also dwells on the theme of escapism, not only as a psychological refuge from the grim realities of the present day world, but also as a desire to stay with the past or to keep the past alive in the complexities of the present. Complexities means difficulties of the present. In the story, Charlie not only expresses a desire to escape but also prepares and tries very hard. A desire which is not contested by the wife either. His wife didn't oppose the desire of Charlie. Sam is also happily escaped with no plans to resort to his old profession. So this was about the theme. Now let us see what is the summary of the chapter. The story revolves around a 31-year-old man named Charlie who experienced something weird. Weird means something very bad. One day, after work coming from the subway, he reached the third level of the Grand Central Station, which does not actually exist. Actually, there are only two levels of Grand Central Station. He reminisces means the good memories of past. Entire experience with his psychiatrist friend Sam. Sam is Charlie's psychiatrist friend. Charlie thought he experienced time travel and had reached somewhere in the 1890s, a time before the world saw two of its most deadliest wars. Means till this time, two deadliest, two very fearful wars the people has faced. As soon as he realized what time he is in, he immediately decided to buy two tickets to Galsbury. Galsbury is the name of a place where Charlie wants to go. Illinois, where this place is situated, one for himself and the other for his wife. Charlie buys two tickets, one for himself and one for his wife. Unfortunately, the currency used in that century was different. Thus, the next day, he withdrew all his savings and got them converted, even if it meant bearing losses. Means he converted his current currency into the old currency, and he has to bear a lot of loss. He went looking for the third level but failed to find it. It worried his wife and the psychiatrist Sam, who told him that he is hallucinating in order to take refuge from reality and miseries of the modern world, which is full of worry. Charlie thus resorts to his stamp collection in order to distract himself. Means Charlie, in order to distract his mind, resorts himself to his habit of stamp collecting. When suddenly one day he finds a letter from his friend Sam, who had gone missing recently. Sam wrote that he always wanted to believe in the idea of third level, and now that he is there himself, he encourages Charlie and Louisa to never stop looking for it. Louisa is the name of wife of Charlie. So students, this much is enough for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will do the textual reading of the chapter and its explanation. If you have any type of doubt, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number. Till then, have a nice day.